Former Bafana Bafana and Mamelodi Sundowns midfielder Spusiso Vilakazi has lost his luxury property in Roodepoort after failing to keep up with his bond repayments. The Johannesburg High Court granted First Front Bank an order to attach and sell Vilakazi's house in February 2024 as the bank sought to recover a loan extended for the former footballer to purchase the property. Court order issued by the judge Fiona Dipinar on February 28 instructed Vilakazi to pay over 3.4 million rand in outstanding bond areas, along with interest accrued at a rate of 10.93% per annum, compounded monthly from May 2023. The ruling also authorized the sheriff of the court to execute the sale of the property with a reserve price of 1.98 million rand or any other amount set by the court. And this is according to Sunday World publication. Vilakazi, a former star for Bidvest Vets and TS Galaxy, took out a loan of 3.35 billion rand from First Rand Bank in August 2021 to purchase a home in the exclusive Willowbrook estate in Roomsig. The terms of the loan required monthly repayments of 25,994 over a 20-year period. However, according to court documents, Vilakazi fell behind on his payments, with the last recorded installment made on December 1, 2022 in the amount of 32,651 rand and 53. In May 2023, First Rand Bank's attorneys Van Halsteins sent a letter to Vilakazi notifying him that his account was in arrears by 190,000 rand, 657.98. The letter urged him to settle the debt or contact the bank to arrange a payment plan. However, Vilakazi reportedly did not respond to the bank's attempts to resolve the matter, including phone calls, emails, and SMS messages. First Rand Bank then proceeded with legal action, seeking a court order to declare the property executable and recover the debt by selling it. The ruling came after Vilakazi parted ways with Sekhukhune United in June and was left without a football club. When contacted by the Sunday World publication, he claimed to be unaware of any loan agreement with First Rand Bank or the court order, and also stated that he owns a property in Roomsig, financed by Standard Bank, which he said was up to date on bond repayments. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.